How's it going, guys, and welcome back to the False Tech YouTube channel. So this video is going to be a little different. I'm going to actually be going through what's in my Nintendo Switch box. I don't see many of these videos going around anymore. It's a little dated now, but I wanted to do a video on mine. It's pretty much packed full. If you hear background noise, I apologize. That's my 3D printer. It's that hard work making me something that I'm going to be really excited to have. But aside from that, let's jump right into the contents of what's in this box. Alright, so I am going to open this guy with one hand, because that is how I do things around here. Alright, and nothing spectacular, but let's jump in. Alright, so the contents is kind of not really organized. I guess it's organized in its own way, but right is in front is our main attraction, the Nintendo Switch, with my two blue Joy-Cons. Very nice. The only modification I've done is I've added this Nyko stand. It's actually kind of annoying because it doesn't really shut, and it's very very fragile. If I sit it up, sometimes it'll pop off. So definitely not an investment I would recommend. Use the stock stand, or make another stand, or get another stand that is more durable. This is actually like steel or metal, so it should be doing better than it is. But anyways, that's my Nintendo Switch. And I have the power adapter, the standard one, nothing spectacular. And I have the controller base here for the Joy-Cons. Here, I don't have my Pro in here. There's really no reason to have it in here. It just won't fit. And I want to have everything in place in this bag should I run into someone that wants to play, or let's say at work, if they want to play on the TV, I have everything ready, which does happen from time to time. Here I have my other set of Joy-Cons, my red, kinda, I guess it's neon red, closer to pink than red in my opinion, but there's those really bright red Joy-Cons. Over here I have my HDMI cable, and I have my 4 Joy-Con left-right attachments, my Joy-Cons here. Nothing spectacular. I have Nintendo Switch stand. This is the default one that comes with the Nintendo Switch. So we'll set that aside, and now we are empty. But I do have my 2 packs of games that I want to go through as well. We'll talk about those a little bit. My first set of games I have here. Let me open this guy up. Alright, let me just put these guys back in, because being organized is key. Alright, so you see my 3 games in this one. I have Let's Go Pikachu, Super Mario Odyssey, I have Zelda Breath of the Wild. I've put a lot of hours in these games. These 3 are probably my favorite of the few. Plan on getting more, such as a new Pokemon game coming out later, but that's one half of my games. And in this one, I have, well, let's open it and see. Alrighty, let's fix this right here. Alright, so in this one I have Super Mario Party, as well as Super Smash Brothers. One other game that I have is actually in the Nintendo Switch as well. This is the game that my son loves playing, and that is Mario Kart, which I'm going to put back right here. So I have a total of 6 physical games. My family loves to play them, especially my son. He loves to hop on Mario Kart. He doesn't really know how to play it with the controllers yet, but he can get around. And on my Nintendo Switch, if the battery isn't dead, and of course it is, I have Pokemon Quest. I have quite a few different free games. Don't think I have any paid virtual games. I really haven't seen any that I could really have time to play other than my games I have, because I still haven't beat these. And that's pretty much just on my part of being lazy or responsible, however you want to take that. But yeah, this was just a bonus video. This is just what's in my Nintendo Switch box. I have tons of things here. But yeah, thanks for sticking with me through the end of the video, guys. I know the Ender 3 can be a little loud. I apologize, but I got more videos coming for you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. And goodbye.